Hello and welcome to Dating for Beginners. Today we are here with a new video on how you can send bulk messages in WhatsApp. So if you are new, you are subscribed and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. I'll just get started with the tutorial. So firstly, you need to open the WhatsApp app. You can download the WhatsApp app in your Play Store, and if you have an Apple device, then you can install it in App Store. So when you have successfully installed it, you just have to open the WhatsApp. And when you have opened the WhatsApp, in the top right corner, there is a 3-button icon. You just have to click on the 3-button icon, and in the second option there is a new broadcast option. You just have to click on the new broadcast option. After that, you just need to click on the name of the person for whom you want to select to send bulk messages. So I'll just select a randomly people. So now I can just press the tick button that is in the bottom right corner. After that, I can just type in the message, the bulk messages that I want to send to different people. So in this way, you can send bulk messages in WhatsApp. And this group is only visible to you, but it is not visible to any other people. So this is how you can easily send bulk messages in WhatsApp. So if this video was helpful to you, give a thumbs up. Thank you.